Welcome back. This is the higher table. Ngazini dukan swana ni mwana ndo mahunguni. Yeah, earlier on, ndo publisher some of the videos regarding this song. Trying to see all the angles of things. So none of the publishers the video. Then I realized, okay, she went online. Abako share the chat za onamna dako diamba zao kwamba zone. President Donald Chisezafu unaona kwamba tingadoba the whole thing achikwambori yes and namna dawo tenderanori wadoshara 50-50 kidakalwimbo naone uliotoma ngwara dzina lawe rekizazi WhatsApp chat dzina this word this benga paside ndaziko akudisumbedzisa uri akubusoro lwimbo mna dako diambori rekadi master no arina mini zote hezu because the plan date ndiko sumbedzoriwa it's 1 the 1 kwamba the 1 is a July the 2 is July if not the 1 is July abadorondero one zo oh yeah the right yabonga the 1 is July nalaptano so vachiko disumbezo diambore okay ndikadi ita so so ndari chiko dibara mapungwa yawo enda wono Oscar share one ako diambozo richeka para rotondana rodorindi PR stand uri the pedaro lizari mbonero do ona 50-50 awachiko sumbedzisa uri uchidapa noni namusari mana dako diamba zori memuruka di masteriwa zinozo kusumbedza ndingazo enosike a recordori murawe ana Prince Benza wa release have kwamba holwe vapedza vakuita beating nga uswa vada va recorda vocals nga uswa ti the same song ganam so unazo zine it doesn't add up, doesn't make sense. I'm sorry from so firstly I'm to a poster about a week ago DJ Chim I can't really pronounce his name ka Twitter dozo muchela Twitter chaiwana akusumbezizoru ko master holi muraganama so aripireka hezo I didn't really want to get into that but I remember that I saw the tweet here kwamba ngoraro so issue yanga tumoda hapa noni musi achikwamba mapongori worotendana zori ndi PR stunt your top it keeps on doing these things so zokusiya uri vateveli tumova na matada for okay ndilini nandoro rubuzango yasuzawe huni advance ko zvipera ndifuna mujalini serious ngoraro ngori ai achatembisa zvine akwamba zone okay rapira rakahelo so imwe issue k musache domba hapo nonuri nga Tuesday na the Oscar chencha ari ngorulimbo rotwa studio chona mini zote na copyright uko da copyright ya limbo lote ngoraro 100% of copyright of the song because it was recorded in studio budziso yanga yaba yori lazimbo zera dzitange muralo lazimwe thanu all this time in it one as the royalties na mini okay before the jenaka nyimbo thanu the royalties iti artomera chotoma ni chori urulimbo lusikonera waruko ubva kadzi online stores hapo arali limbo record nado chijaba vakamsarira lepo ngala buviri va recorda limbo kana ngala uraru kana zvezo ngala buviri avachikwamboro rokubva ngala uraru atomrembeo watu unopfesesa maybe ndinazonda kokhera khazo chidakadzi online store chotoma okay ela company yawe ili yabo ine yabori yeno publisher eko publisher stable chawe I know the company no vakuishumisa so ndikoshawo mention madzina ngori vasivori wana hey varisuwa vatu madzina dzi company za vatu so avari ndisangodo jena ngazo ngamanda kazi ne company vaya nyimbo dza vula ka YouTube vadibona yotoma nga eme yari on behalf of mini riri eme ka brackets ya visa dzina la company na ko publisher so it's company na mo distributor na hawa ne vako publisher na ngoraro na NHS stable so ziyajia zungo tinurangari ndi maduba zungajia about 48 hours urulimoro lusikolora rwana no vakadzi online stores ropushwa kama ropushwa ngori vachiriliza dzinyimbo apo lava nozidivai not the dates no selectiwa na mini twishwana ne kuni post 5 days 10 days 3 weeks ngoraro so if urulimbo exactly ro recordwa ngala bovili how did it find its way to the online stores within few hours rimuraro nova so order buzazori zavde budlo record wari and hobo maduwa ko diar ko diana so fer ko do par ko visar ko vis Going back to that tweet, this song was recorded already. That's how I feel and believe Rimbo already on recordio. There is no way Rimbo can make it to all these digital stores just like that. As website that's going to upload and are publishing a kati. Nah, why shouldn't I mean? Something doesn't add up here. So mistake you know what was mentioned already. Tuesday idea so. If I saw a Tuesday, that means we more labraro or doesn't Tuesday, but we don't know what time. I got the bona tweet here, Kanepo, I got the one story chamakazi, and never side. So they are correct with the chivar. But Mutsiang and the when was this song recorded, mixed and mastered, then sent and get published? Something tells me the song was long done. About last week, the moment this issue started, but make a show publishing Namini for the bigger story. As always, right now we're picking up. She always playing a victim, and so that sympathy as fair. But until when? So again, mwakho mistake futhi. Athi kwamba ngamapunga zo royalties za nyimbo thanu mini zote. My understanding in the ori, you can sort that thing in Imune na Sambro. Sambro is return me. These companies that ni handler they can sort it out for you. So if Kasambro nyimbo zo register ngoraro Karisa like when actually how we pronounce zina Sambro what hotene for chat na mean if you have registered your songs for the royalty collectors that we were for sound exchange. No itori, not the mention, no reach go to register, not the ambori. Call him so, nendo feature you. Up on an online store, each could have split sheet these days. So Baranga Minu Mutra did or this split one engage. Tis this method register wapalori. Nine car. So you go and handle that thing also. Why is this thing coming out now? Because of this song. So there's too many loopholes. Zine doesn't make sense. And why WhatsApp chat husina habo kwambi wangori nona recorder mora visa na mini. These two WhatsApp chat that, like, this is another story. So I'm not buying into this. So far I'm not buying into this. But yeah, wangu the split hair and the video on radio version. But when the lizard no, but man, something it doesn't know as well as I put in a nap. Do not know miss a zone that you can tell me, but to Tomaka is a number online stores. Now you pay royalties. Now this is new stories of the Mario. How many times you never put the work of the PR stand in a mini? Who's handling Suza Womuds of the wood? If I say I think like these guys need to handle everything accordingly, properly, like having a baby. Mom to come maybe in the legal car to understand as well as worry Zukwete. Honestly speaking, I might be right while I'm wrong. And I might still be wrong while I'm right, because I'm wrong and I'm right still, but I'm right even though I'm wrong, but I'm still right. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but I'm right even though I'm still wrong. In a way that I'm still right. So I'm wrongly right. I'm still wrong right. Yeah. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for other updates that the artists. So I'm trying to get as much information as I get from different artists, even though sometimes it's a bit difficult. They deleted it poster, but they gave you the information. But yo, enough about that. I'm about to bounce. Bone abar buzuzoni bakidakori mbona information at drama therapy. Possible na hali. Ndayo ndona. Diba funa soni.